Christmas in Jamaica by Anadine Downer and Marisha Johnson.
Christmas in Jamaica, be vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best something. Christmas in Jamaica, be vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best thing. In a Jamaica, Christmas breeze a blow. Love in the air, for everyone know. Back in the days, little picnic did a play. Hide and seek, laughter all day. Christmas cake a be a fruit steep in a wine. Mix the butter, make the flavors align. Sorrel and ginger with a touch of rum. Family and friends eating, having fun. Christmas in Jamaica be a vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best something. Christmas in Jamaica be a vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best thing. Draw out the sheets, stories unfold. Grandmother's tears for the young and old. So make we celebrate in a Jamaican style. Christmas joy, every woman, man and child. Christ is the reason in a every season. Watch night tradition, a heartfelt reason. Christmas in Jamaica be a vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best something. Christmas in Jamaica be a vibes it bring. Being a Jamaican not the best thing. Being a Jamaican not the best something.